In prison, I was not Jub. Mara sonke sithola nabo Kelly siyafa. Yabo. Sonke siyabhora or something, yabo. Everybody knows Kelly uses umuthi.
Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, this is what Jub Jub said about Kelly Khumalo, that everyone knows that whoever dates Kelly uyafa ngoba usebenzisa imithi. Kelly has been the subject of discussion since the death of her late baby daddy, former Bafana Bafana goalkeeper Senzo Meyiwa. Meyiwa, guys, died at the Khumalo's house few years ago. Akekho sike washushiswa for icala lokufa kaSenzo Meyiwa. So abanye bantu, guys, concluded that maybe Kelly Khumalo there is something ayaziyo. In that interview with MacG, Jub Jub also said he has no fear of anyone and that he doesn't care who gets angry after what he shared with the public. The broadcast will only be available on the 1st of December 2021 for obvious reasons, guys, and this show Jub Jub shocked many people. The public is wondering if Jub Jub is a bitter ex who is upset that Kelly is refusing to let him see his son, and because their relationship didn't work out, or what. I'm also asking myself, where did Jub Jub got the courage to say such things on social media? Anyway, guys, we are looking forward to ukuyizwa yonke le broadcast that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.